Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, I will show you how to share an Excel sheet on Google Drive. Sharing an Excel sheet through Google Drive is an essential skill, especially if you frequently collaborate with colleagues, classmates, or team members. It allows everyone to access and possibly edit the document, making teamwork more efficient and effective. In this tutorial, we'll explore step-by-step how you can effortlessly share your Excel document via Google Drive, ensuring that everyone who needs it can have access. First things first, you'll need to open Google Drive. To do this, start by launching your preferred web browser and heading to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not already logged in, make sure to sign in with your Google account. Once you're on the main page of Google Drive, the next task is to locate the specific Excel file you wish to share. You can do this by navigating through your folders, or if you have a lot of files, you might want to use the search bar at the top to quickly find the file by name. Once you've found the Excel sheet in your drive, it's time to select it. You can do this by simply clicking once on the file's name. This click will highlight the file, indicating that it's selected. It's important to be sure you're selecting the correct file, especially if you have multiple files with similar names. Double-checking here can save you from sharing the wrong document. After the file is selected, you'll notice a series of icons appearing, typically at the top of your Drive interface. Look for the icon that resembles a person with a plus sign, often labeled Share. Click on this icon to begin the sharing process. A new dialog box will pop up, and this is where you'll manage your sharing settings. Initially, the sharing settings might be configured to restricted, meaning only people you explicitly add can access the file. If you want to make the file more accessible, you can change this setting. Click on the Restricted drop-down menu, and you'll see other options. One useful setting is Anyone with the link. Selecting this option allows anyone with the link to view, and depending on your preference, possibly edit the file. This is particularly handy because it means recipients don't need to sign in with a Google account to access the document. Once you've set your preferences, it's time to specify who you want to share the document with. In the dialog box, you'll find a field to enter email addresses. Start typing in the email addresses of the people you want to share the file with. If you have multiple people to share it with, you can add several email addresses at once. As you type, Google Drive might suggest contacts based on your past interactions, which can speed up this process. After entering the email addresses, take a moment to double-check them. Ensuring that there are no typos or errors is crucial, as incorrect email addresses will prevent your recipients from receiving the document. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Send. Google Drive will then notify the recipients via email, giving them access to the shared Excel sheet along with any permissions you've set. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your Excel sheet on Google Drive. This method of sharing is incredibly efficient for collaboration, as it allows others to view or edit the document as needed. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to share other files, and enjoy the seamless collaboration that Google Drive offers. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to share an Excel sheet on Google Drive quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.